Hello, fourth graders. Yesterday, we talked about standard form and expanded form. I will remind you what those are. Standard form is the normal way that you write a number. So here is a number in standard form. 13,452. That is standard form. It's a regular way that we write numbers. Okay? Expanded form is where you take that standard form number and you stretch it out to make it longer. Okay? So here I have the 1 in 13,452 becomes 10,000. The 3 becomes 3,000. The 4 becomes 400. The 5 becomes 50. And the 2 becomes 2. Today, I will teach you about word form. Word form is the way that we say numbers using words. And I'm going to show you how that works. I'm going to erase these words here, and I'm going to replace that with word form. Word form. Now, the cool thing about word form is that if you say the number, you can sound out the words and write the number down using words. And commas go in the same place as they do in the number here. So right here, we see a comma here in 13,452. So when we write the number, we're going to put a comma in the exact same place. Okay? So let me say the word, say the number, and I'm going to write down exactly what I said. Okay? 13,000. That's our first part, because this part here is 13,000, right? So I'm going to write that down. 13,000. And if I don't know how to spell it, that's fine, okay? I am not looking for perfect spelling right now. I'm looking for that you know how to write down numbers in word form, okay? So if you do not know how to spell 13, sound it out the best you can, and I will count that as correct, okay? So 13,000, 13,000. Remember that this part here is a thousands section, and so we say 13,000. And then a comma, right? We've got to get the comma in. And then we're going to say this part here, which is 452. And remember, we're leaving out the end. 452. So here's my number, 13,452. Okay, excellent. Let's do another example here of a number using word form. Okay, let me erase that. Here is another example. Got it. Okay, here's a number. We'll go with 358. Okay, so I'm going to sound out that word, and as I sound it out, I'm going to write it down. Okay, let's see here. 358. So 358. 58. And in English, we use a dash. This dash symbol here, or hyphen, is used between 50 and 8. Okay, there we go. Let's do another one, okay? We'll do one more. Here I have a number. Let's see if you can do this one in your head. Think about it. Okay. So this first part here is 226,000. Right, we have a comma here, so it's 1,000. So I'm going to write that down. 2 126. I'm going to sound it out. I don't really care about the spelling right now. I care about that you know how to say it, okay? 226 20-6 226,000. Remember that we're using thousands because the 6 here is in the thousands place. Then I put a comma because I need to have that comma in the same place as the number is in the standard form. And this part over here says 105. So I'm going to write that. I'll use black again. 105. So, when you do the problems today in My Math, focus on sounding out the words and writing them down the best that you can, okay? You may not spell everything correctly yet because there are a lot of hard words in math. There are a lot of hard spellings in math. But I care about that you know how to sound the words out, okay? Excellent. Have a good day.